going on, fam? Today we're going to be focusing on the Kindle Oasis 10th generation. This is my honest product review and why I feel this is the best tool for you to have to tap into the best version of yourself. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Hey guys, my name is Coach Louis Soto. I'm a Body Mind Wellness coach, and on this channel we focus on the best way on how to tap into the best version of ourselves through the process of meditation, spirituality, and life coaching. And on this episode, I'm going to give you my honest review on the Kindle Oasis 10th generation. The reason I love this Kindle e-reader, number one, look how sleek and easy it is. You swipe it, you come into the library. Already you have Amazon, you have Kindle, and you have the Goodreads, and you get to store all your books. Me, I'm an avid reader, and I used to like reading with paperback and hard book. Too much books carrying around. You got your Kindle. You click, it downloads right away. You could download it, you could buy it from your Kindle device, or you could go to Amazon and then buy it there. And then the moment you get it, it gets transferred to your Kindle. You see the library, you click right there. You have everything. You got the beginning, the content. When I scroll down like this, it has dark mode, or I could just turn it to white mode. Now the letters are black, and now you have white. If that's too much, scroll down again, click it back. I like to read it like this, the black and white. You come back over here, and this is basically how you're going to be using it. You go to your settings. You can have two adults, but you could personalize it as well. You go here to the device options to put a password, and then nobody could use your Kindle without knowing your password. You got display settings over here. You can put the size. You can have it just standard, or you could just have it large. Click. Now we got reading options. You got a vocabulary, so every time that you're reading and you don't understand a word, you have the vocabulary to help you out. Page refresh, it refreshes the page every time that you finish. So we come over here, reading, I click the X, so over here, come back, so look right there, bookmark it, come back over here, click, there you go. So it has page, it's very simple, my friends. Again, scroll back down, you could do the brightness, you can make it as bright and as light as possible. It also has night vision, like that it doesn't hurt your eyes. Come back to the settings. We also have parental guidance, so you can put a restriction so the kids cannot use it, and they have to know your password. You are in control from your children. Here's the thing about this Kindle Oasis. You might be able to get one on the market, because there's a lot of different e-readers. One of the cons is this is an expensive device. It costs $249 as of right now. But we're going on a Black Friday deal. So I'm going to provide a link down below where you could wait to Black Friday. And I'm pretty sure they're going to lower the prices. I don't know how much, but if you want to get this Kindle Oasis, I will wait for Black Friday. This is the way I read my book. I don't have to carry books around. You get it, connect to your internet, connect to your Bluetooth, ready to go. So my friends, if you like this video, first time on my channel, make sure to subscribe. I drop a new video every week on information on meditation, spirituality, life coaching, and then also tools and products that we could use to bring out the best version of ourselves. Thank you so much for stopping by. The link will be there for the Kindle. You could also click the link and get a 30-day free trial Audible. If you have no time to read, you can listen to the books when you're walking and working out. You got a 30-day free trial. Thank you again for stopping by. I look forward to talking to you soon. Have an awesome day.